My great-grandfather owned all this land back in the early 1900s. My grandmother grew up right down the street, and then they built here in the 70s. I had a kind of second home up here. We had all our Christmases and Thanksgivings up here, and we just want to make sure that we are preserving their memory. We're eager to have it for the rest of our lives and for our children's lives.
The ultimate goal is to have a house where future memories can happen.
Okay, so let's talk about the project itself. How much are you guys hoping to spend on this project?
We're hoping to keep it around $190,000.
Okay. All right, well, that's good. What are you hoping to change, to keep?
I think, in general, we just want to have a better curb appeal so that the outside matches the memories that we have on the inside.
So the plan for outside is paint, freshen up all the landscaping, some sort of trellis just to break up this brick, new lighting, new front door, and then maybe we can recreate that outdoor living space that they had out front.
Perfect.
Okay, let's go in. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh, it's like a time capsule.
This is amazing.
So in here, the plan is replace the carpeting, peel the popcorn ceilings, but keep the cool beams, take off the paneling. We're gonna keep the fireplace. We'll update it somehow and really just brighten up the space. Still honoring what it was, but really making it up to date. Okay, so then the kitchen.
This is the time capsule.
Oh my stars, look at this, Dave.
My grandparents had the same floor.
Of course they did, this was the floor. Okay, so I think the plan in here is to update everything. We can reconfigure this space by removing the wall between the kitchen and the great room, which will give us an open floor plan. Then the dining room and the great room will be combined, leaving lots of space for a big kitchen with plenty of cabinetry, new appliances, and a massive island perfect for entertaining family. Oh, look how, this is a great big room, wow. All right, so the plan for the main bedroom is move this entrance to the other side of the wall so we can gain space in the kitchen. New flooring, we're gonna scrape the popcorn ceilings, get you new lighting, paint, basically a complete refresh. They really gave us very little direction.
Very little.
They really want to completely transform this house. And that makes me nervous because I think they want that, but then it's also like this, it's hard because I think they also are really tied to the nostalgia of this house.
We can do a lot to this house to make it something that their family can continue to make memories in.
We can do it, we got it, we got it.
Can we do it?
I don't know,
Of course we can do it.
Of course we can.
Just low pressure.
Why are you guys putting all the pressure on us?
I got a hunch that we're not gonna ruin the hunch. We'll get it taken care of.
Are we coming my way? Or you can't. There we are.
Oh God, be careful, don't hurt yourselves either.
Yep, we're going out to the garage with it. Down.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Nice.
Let's get the wall opened up. Oh, I'll take it. Look at the light. Let the light. We were a small group, but we came and we saw, we conquered this Lee house. We are ready to move on to the next phase. Demo is done. Back at the Lee's house, we're getting down to some really beautiful details. Kenna's grandmother, she had so many amazing antiques. So we're updating the dining room built-in to showcase some of her treasures. Cabinetry is finishing up and the new lighter mantles are in. Jenny had an idea to add a personalized plaque to the mantle. The Lee house is looking amazing. Big, beautiful white stone countertops are getting installed, both in the main bathroom and the kitchen. And we're doing the biggest island we've ever done. And the subway tile backsplash is a simple but perfect complement.
Initially, I was a little concerned about how the outside was looking. It just felt sort of blah after we painted. I didn't like it. So we had to add the shutters.
Right up tight to that plywood.
And the cedar boxes and the rose bushes. We needed all of those elements to come together to really make this house feel complete.
That looks great.
Yeah.
But with the outside shaping up, there's still tons to do on the inside. How do you even move this?
Well, we're moving it one time. All right, this dining room table. It is 11 feet of 3-inch thick cherry. I think it's pushing 400 to 500 pounds. You ready?
Okay. Looks good.
You gotta go back your way a little bit, right there.
Wow. That is a Thanksgiving table. Dave, you did good.
Thank you.
We're also updating lighting throughout the house, including a more modern version of the bedside pendants that were in the main bedroom. It looks cute.
Jenny Mars,
Yeah.
guess what's here?
Oh, our furniture?
Our furniture.
Yay!
Yeah.
This furniture has been in this family for at least 2 generations,
Yep.
but it needed to be updated, and it is coming back to us.
Yeah.
It's beautiful here.
It's hot.
Oh, it's so hot.
And warm.
Good to see you.
You too. All right.
I'm so excited.
Yes, I think you're gonna love it.
Dun, dun, dun. Oh, so cute. That turned out beautifully. I love it.
So do you want to grab one side there, Rach?
Here, I can get this.
Was it well built?
Yeah.
Super well done.
Yeah, it's all solid hardwood, solid maple frames.
Wow.
So cool.
Yeah.
We only get to save like old houses. We don't usually get to save furniture.
And if you remember, the wood was like a honey oak, and so we really sanded them down and used a white oak stain. And
Wow, they look amazing. Normally I have to go out and go to antique stores all around town. This house, they had everything already. I just had to bring it all back in. It looks so perfect there. Our landscaper even found an old iron bell in the backyard. Turns out it was Kenna's great-grandmother's schoolhouse bell. I mean, oh, that's really loud.
It was made in 1886.
That's
That
amazing.
is so cool. We had to put this bell back in the ground so it can actually be used again. It's a piece of history and a piece of their family's history. It's really cool. I love it. It looks so good. This was their grandma's. All of this was. The hard thing about this one is that this house is so special. There are so many memories in this place. Perfect. So for us to update it, which is what they needed and what they wanted, but also try to preserve the character and integrity that was in the home before, it's really a challenge. It's hard.
It is. They're about here. Let's go.
Okay. It's not just any house. It's a really important house to their family, and I hope we would have made her grandparents proud.
Yep. Hello.
what's going on?
Hi. Hi. How are you? Good.
We started talking, just driving up the road, and I'm about to start crying already, so this is gonna be bad.
The bell, I like it.
You like that?
Oh,
Absolutely.
That's a legit bell.
1886, huh?
And right when you drive up here, you have a story about your family, and that's what we tried to keep throughout the house, is just that story alive, because it's a really special place. So
Yeah.
you got a little swing under the magnolia.
Look at that.
It's so perfect.
And of course, we put back some roses in the planters as a tribute to your grandma, who had all her roses out here.
I think she would be proud.
All right, so should we go check out inside?
Absolutely.
All right, after you.
It's a whole different space.
Feels bigger. Floors, the paint, so much brighter.
Do you remember the paneling on the walls?
Uh-huh.
We sheetrocked everything. So it's all new, all fresh.
Do you recognize the furniture?
This looks
Oh my gosh, those are the
so
same chairs.
good. I love that print.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you one little thing real quick. I had a friend do a watercolor at the house.
That's really cool.
Oh,
Oh,
oh
look at that.
my gosh. It was always so dark. Now it's just so bright and open.
Look how much bigger this room feels.
Isn't it amazing?
Yeah. All your pictures.
Oh, I love it. Look at all
Fantastic.
of them.
You guys want to do Thanksgiving and Christmas, and you have a big family. And I really wanted to repurpose the original mantles. So we made a table.
Oh, wow.
Okay, now we're
So-
talking.
These are the 2 pieces, and actually this is another piece of cherry that
Okay.
we were able to get.
That is so great.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
there you go.
Oh, it's so pretty.
This room is just very soft and peaceful and calming, which is what a bedroom should be, really.
I love the color.
You like it?
I'm so
Dude.
glad. So we wanted
Yeah.
to do kind of a modern version of those pendants on the bedside table. And then all sorts of amazing things that your grandparents had collected over the years.
Who's the photo over there?
That's Nanny and Granddad.
Oh, sorry. Oh, it's a lot. It's
It
a
is.
lot. There's so many memories in this place.
I don't like to cry.
Take your time.
My dad, he would be happy that it's got a new life. I think y'all have done a wonderful job.